Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out the Mason Genie Vacuum Sealer Kit for mason jars, a smart and compact solution to keep your food fresh longer using the jars you already have. This device is designed to remove air from mason jars and create a tight vacuum seal, helping extend freshness and reduce food waste. It works with both wide and regular mouth jars, so it's super versatile for everyday kitchen use. Using it is incredibly simple. Just place the sealer on top of your jar and press a button, and within 30 to 60 seconds, you get a strong airtight seal. It's perfect for storing dry foods like rice, coffee, nuts, and grains, as well as certain liquids like sauces or soups when used properly. One of the biggest advantages is that it helps food stay up to 3 to 5 times fresher by reducing exposure to air, which slows down spoilage and keeps flavors intact. The unit is also compact, portable, and USB rechargeable, so you can easily use it anywhere in your kitchen without bulky equipment. Overall, the Mason Genie Vacuum Sealer Kit is a simple yet powerful tool for meal prep, pantry organization, and long-term food storage without relying on plastic bags or large machines. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.